Hello, beautiful one. Hello, hello. I got a package. Actually, I have two, and I'd love to share them here with you. So I'm going to open them live on this video. This is what I do, an unboxing video now and then when beautiful gifts and special spaces arise for this type of acknowledgement. So this first one came in, and thank you for your patience, Love Lingo 1111. This is a gift from Love Lingo 1111, a beautiful site, a beautiful being of light in human form who is here blessing humanity. And so you guys should check out the site. It's a wonderful understanding of affirming, positive, encouraging, uplifting spaces for yourself by what you put on your body, by the clothing you wear and what it says. Yes, you've heard of Dr. Emoto's water experiment. Yes, many of you have. If you haven't, go to YouTube and search Dr. Emoto water experiment. It is incredibly powerful, the understanding of energy and how intention and thought all play a role in the way in which reality is formed, the way in which reality is formed. And in this life right now, we are all being given the opportunity to understand ourselves as consciousness, to understand ourselves as energy, and to begin to live more from that space of our being and less from the after effect materialistic physical space of the being, because that is a reflection of what's happening within. And we are learning this understanding so that we can adjust and become the self-master of what's happening within, and therefore we will become the master of what is happening without, yes, outside of us. So this is a really awesome idea, the way that he has done this. So let me open the package. I don't know what's in here. I have an idea of what's in here, but I don't know the specifics. Let's see. This is a gift. This is a gift. I'm so grateful. This is a gift. All right, let me put these glasses on in case. Oh my goodness. Well, right off the bat, this beautiful bracelet is right here. I love it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Look at these colors. Look how fun this is. You see these colors of the rainbow? Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, awesome. Gratitude, thank you, happiness, spirit, joy, yes. How beautiful, how beautiful. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you for this. Oh, I love it. Isn't that lovely? Thank you. There's a beautiful card in here. Isn't that lovely? Look at all those loving words, uplifting words, encouraging words, yes? Andrea, I know you will enjoy the positive, loving vibes and energy from your Love Lingo tank. Thank you. Hugs, Dave. Oh, how beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see. Ooh, I love the color. Love purple. Oh, I love this. How cool is this, you guys? Right? Oh, this is beautiful. Allowing all of these uplifting words to be upon me, yes? Look how beautiful that is. Respect, hope, appreciation. I love you. Thank you. You know, wearing this in public and a person walking by, even if they caught one word, these all hold extremely powerful vibrations, yes? Loving, uplifting, healing vibrations. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. I am so grateful that you are in my path, on my path. Thank you for the light you bring to this world. Thank you for the love you bring to this world. You guys check out his site, okay? Check out his site. Oh, so he actually has this little brochure in here, and it's part here says, this is inspired by Dr. Emoto's scientific water study. So how interesting. Yes, I didn't know that for sure. Changing the world one love lingo at a time. A portion of our profits go to Make-A-Wish. So even a portion of their profits go to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. How lovely. How lovely. Thank you, beautiful divine one. Thank you. All right, now this next package, I believe this one is, yes, this is from Ascension Quest Crystals. And this is a package I ordered. I ordered this. They had a sale the other day because they're very, very nice crystals. Very nice crystals. Very high quality. And they had a sale on their story on IG. And so I went in there and I checked it out. Many of you may have seen it in my story. It was really fun because it ended up that right when my order processed, it was 11/11. Isn't that fun? I mean, like right when my order was processing. So this is a big box and it's kind of heavy, but I'm going to open it and share with you what's inside. Okay. Oh, there's a beautiful card right away at the top. How lovely. Let's read this together. Thank you, sticker. It's a very nice card. Thank you. Dear Andrea, thank you for your purchase and your constant support. Oh, these are Reiki infused. How beautiful. And I do cosmic quantum energy, so I really appreciate the beauty of energy work. Crystals bring love and light to your life. We would appreciate your feedback with love. Heriberto, and I believe this says Jessica. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and there's a gift right here on top. How lovely. Look at this. This is a satchel of lavender, and there's a beautiful, this looks like possibly red jasper heart inside here. What a lovely gift right on the top. Beautiful. They smell so lovely. I love lavender. And look at this beautiful heart. Thank you for this gift. This is a gift. I did not order this. Thank you, divine ones. Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful. What lovely quality. Very lovely. Beautiful. Everything is wrapped so beautifully. All right. Look at these heart stickers. I love it. They really did a beautiful job to protect these crystals. Thank you so much for that. Very well wrapped. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Are you guys ready to see what's in these, huh? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I did not order this. This is a gift. Oh my goodness. Thank you, divine ones. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is exquisite. Yaratene yaratura. Kenene anataweya. Kenene anataweya. Taweya, taweya. Kaukoa, kaukoa. Kenene, kenene, kawa. Gawa, 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 keke, yanana, tawea, 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 tawea. Do you see what I see? This beautiful heart, even, yes. You see the heart shape with me, right? Can you kind of see that? Yes. How beautiful. Look at the back is even gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. Absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I did not order that. That was a gift. It was a surprise. I opened the box. I thought it was going to be the citrine one. And that is incredible. Thank you, guys. Thank you so very, very much. Thank you. Let's open the next one. Lovely the way this is done. So they're all wrapped extremely well with very, very big protection. But then look at how lovely when you get inside to where the space of the crystal is in the packaging. It's in this velvet black bag. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very high quality. Thank you, Divine Ones, for the care you take in what you do. There she is. There she is. When I saw this, I knew I was to have this one. Yarare kenenana taruru. Kanenena tai anananawa. Tenene ayarutuare. Yanene anana taya. Taya, 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 tawa. Tawa kea, tawa kea, tawa kea. Tekia nana tawa. Tekia nana tawa. Look how beautiful this is. And this is citrine. Yes. So gorgeous. This is citrine. Feels wonderful. Beautiful. So grateful to have this in my space. Welcome, Divine One. Welcome. All right, I will open up this one. Oh my gosh. Again, look at this beautiful velvet bag that it is in, honoring it as it travels, yes? How beautiful. Oh yes. Kiara rotoro ke anara te atara tokokoa. Tokokoa, tokokoa kea, kea, kea. Soro tukuane. Soro tukuane anana. Taua. Look at this. Do you see the beauty in this? The depth. Oh my goodness. It's so gorgeous. Hello, Divine One. Hello. Welcome home. Welcome home. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. There's one more. This one. It even smells lovely. It smells so beautiful. The space they packed this in must have been very, very lovely. This, oh my God, this is so gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Wow, it's big. I love large crystals. Look at this. Oh my goodness. All right, let's do this. Are you ready? Look at this. So beautiful. It's just gorgeous. This is tourmaline, black tourmaline. It has some inclusions in here. This is just absolutely gorgeous, right? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Feels magnificent. Oh, I love tourmaline. Black tourmaline. Got little pieces, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Woo! I am just so excited and joyful and grateful. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful Dave, Love Lingo 1111. Love Lingo 1111, sending me this shirt as a gift out of love and connectivity with one another. Thank you. I will wear this and share the love with others. Thank you so much. And thank you to Ascension Quest Crystals. I'll put both of those tags below. Follow these sites. Follow these individuals. These are beautiful beings embracing their light, their wholeness, and living the new earth. Follow them. Give them a like. Share some love. My beautiful Acasma family. Thank you, Ascension Quest Crystals, for this incredibly beautiful gift with this beautiful heart. And this, I am just blown away. Blown away. It's incredible. Incredible. Every bit about it. It has this beautiful pink, corally pink to it as well. It's incredibly beautiful. And all of my crystals I ordered from you, top quality, sent in such a beautiful, loving, protective manner. I love them. I'm so grateful to have them in my space, to work with them. They are allies. These are not objects that we just look at and think they're pretty. They are grown by our mother, that which we come from, our earth, and they are for us to connect with and to live our lives with. They offer us more than we will know at this moment, but lean in and allow yourself, trust yourself, connect in with crystal energy. It is a beautiful way to expand your consciousness, to care for your physical, mental, emotional, energetic being, and to revere and love our earth in a new way. I am beyond grateful. Thank you all for watching this video, for sharing this moment with me, for sharing any comments you might have about the video. I love hearing from you. And thank you all for the beautiful emails, direct messages, telling me thank you for the work I do and allowing me to understand what it has meant to you in your lives. I love every message I receive, and I am honored to receive them. Thank you, thank you, thank you unendingly for allowing me to walk with you and for choosing to walk with me. I love you, I love you, I love you.